Jiading bamboo carving is a craft pioneered by ancient scholars in Jiading. It's an art that uses knives as pens and bamboo as paper, encompassing calligraphy, painting, and seal engraving. Its techniques include mainly deep carving, shallow carving, intaglio, fretwork, and round sculpting. Every technique is a marvel to behold. Jiading bamboo carving was pioneered in the mid-Ming dynasty by Zhu Songling. The art was passed down in the family, and its techniques were gradually refined through 3 generations to perfection. In the Ming and Qing dynasties, it was very popular among the officials and literati. Bamboo is a cheap material and easy to maintain. The color of bamboo will turn red with many years of touching. Bamboo is a symbol of scholars and has a nice texture. No other materials can match it. Since Jiading bamboo carving was pioneered by scholars, most of whom were great painters, the creations of these bamboo carvers all evoked a scholarly feel. Scholars draw inspiration from the lines in Chinese paintings when carving. The carvings depict mainly historical stories and scholarly activities. Jiading bamboo carving is a fine ancient folk art with a history of more than 500 years. It nearly died out in the 1950s, so it's pretty remarkable that we are able to keep the legacy alive and well. My name is Wang Wei. I've been working on bamboo carving for 37 or 38 years. When I was young, I liked painting due to my family's influence. I was recruited to learn Jiading bamboo carving because of my painting skills. Since there was a gap in the development of Jiading bamboo carving, much of the learning process came down to my own hard work and experimentation. As a national-level inheritor of intangible cultural heritage, I want to pass on all of my skills to my students without reservation. It's the right thing to do. I believe that, with the joint efforts of Jiading bamboo carvers, we can take Jiading bamboo carving to new heights.